And my Hercules 4-cylinder pony motor. It had a clutch system that went to a big starter gear drive. I took that off for now. I'd put a lawnmower carburetor on it and it ran good for about a year. Started right up. And then last time I tried it wouldn't start at all. I got a pull start, so it's hard. So then I changed and bought another carburetor, and I couldn't get it started. Well, then on eBay, I ordered a military Zenith 20 horsepower new carburetor, new old stock. I'm getting ready to mount it and see if I can get it running. I've got my tractor gas tank over on the Army generator. I'll disconnect it and hopefully get it running. It's so hard to pull start. I may get a belt drive to an engine or something, but I don't know if it's a magneto isn't doing right, but I'm going to try this new carburetor, and if I get it running, I'll post a video. Getting ready to work on the carburetor bolts. The center's a little bit different. Got my own end generator running for power tools. There goes my Harbor Freight grinder, bench grinder. Works good. When it gets up to speed, it has a lot of momentum. I'll keep you posted. Get the carburetor mounted on the Hercules pony motor. I reduced the shank on the bolts. The center's still a little bit off. Now I got it cord strung. Got the carbide tool. I'm gonna ream the cast iron holes on this flange just a little bit to get the spread on the new carburetor. I'm still working on it. Got the generator running on the RV. I got the new carburetor mounted. Got my tractor gas tank put up where it used to be. Got it turned on. I'm about ready to fire it up. Got to find the pull rope and see if it'll start. The Hercules 4-cylinder pony motor with a 20 horsepower Zenith brand new military old stock carburetor.